closer. The walk from here to up there is about 5 minutes.
So we heard that there was a third fall here in Gozalandia area, and so we are checking this place out called Gozalandia Waterfalls Campground. We've gone to Gozalandia many times, but this is the first time we've been to this particular area, and it's really peaceful and tranquil in comparison to the other area.
So are you still exploring Puerto Rico? Mm-hmm.
There's a little waterfall right there. So this is a really cool walking area back here that we've never been to, and you can follow these signs that say private waterfall, even though it's not technically a private waterfall because no waterways in Puerto Rico are private, but it is on a private land. So let's keep walking. If you're ever hiking and you see these signs of spray paint, it often means that they use that to help kind of clear the way. So this trail here, we got a day pass for $5, so it's kind of a nice alternative to the other Gozalandia. Alright, I can hear the water. Let's go check out this waterfall. We've never seen it before.
Whatever, we started it.
Come on, baby, let's go. This one. Oh, this one.
Yeah,
Up and down.
I want to go to that other pile of rock. Or that big rock in the middle of the lake. I want to go there and take it out. Look what you.
Wow, look at this waterfall. It's huge. That's so crazy. We've never even been here before.
I heard that social media that people been here and they got. I'm gonna look for the camera this.
What did you find, Aiden?
A crashed drone right here. And there should be a camera somewhere because look,
But it's all taken apart, huh? Looks like somebody already pieced it out. Look at this beautiful waterfall. Oh my God, it's so huge. Aiden, let's get in the water and feel it. It's not much of a pond to swim in, but I think she said that this was called Dulce Angel, the Sweet Angel Fall.
Angel Fall? Well, I need someone to hold one of these. You can hold this.
Waterfall. We've been here now for a good 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and only a few people have passed by through here. So it's a great alternative to the really packed and crowded other Gozalandia falls. Alright, so look at this beautiful small waterfall that we are en route to the regular Gozalandia. It looks like the signs all lead to that. So this is a great alternative to the famous Gozalandia area that you can stop and see multiple rivers along the way. It looks like this river tees off. So. And I gotta cross the river here and there's a sign. Waterfall of Gozalandia here in the distance, and I haven't been here since the waterfall actually changed its shape. It lost part of it, a big rock in front fell, so now it's very different from what it used to when it looks almost like a skull. But let's go check it out. We have to walk through the water a little bit to this part.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go that part easy way. I'm going that easy way now. I'm going that easy way. What?
Which road will all travelers take?
I think I have to go there.
It's like one traveler changed his mind.
The main waterfall that Gozalandia is known for, where most people take their pictures. And about a year ago, the whole front face fell off of it, and so it looks completely different from how I remember it. We've been here maybe 10 times. This is almost like a completely different waterfall, but still really beautiful. Has this lovely deep pond. It even has a cave under it where you can swim under. It's just a little tiny cave. What do you think, Amy? Should we go swimming? people climb up. They used to be able to climb and jump from the very top, but since that rock form broke, you really have to propel yourself out to not hit those rocks beneath it. But people are still jumping from the secondary spot now. When we first started coming here to Gozalandia many years ago, a decade or so ago, there weren't any of these stairs. All of these are now concrete. They used to just be mud, like you had a rope and everything. So it makes it much more accessible because it's become so popular. So with all these tourists and things, you gotta have some amenities. So let's climb them. Good exercise though.
Doesn't have to stay on it.
With the rope swing. That's why this place is called Gozalandia. There's so much to do. Kind of like the Disneyland of the forest. You gotta enjoy it. Enjoyment land. Swinging on the rope up there. You got a Tarzan in the midst.
What is he gonna jump?
He's about ready to. He's down low. He's probably gonna do a circle trip. All right, so we arrived to the third main fall of Gozalandia. I always thought there was only two, and so this used to be what I would call the secondary fall, but it is now, in my mind, the third fall. So lots of fun on the rope swing. I've done that myself, and looks like you could pretend to be Tarzan for a day if you feel like it out here. So now we're here down at the lower fall from the main attraction, and this is the one I usually call the rope swing fall to distinguish it, because people are always swinging from the ropes in the distance. It's almost like in the shape of a sinkhole. Like some of these are fun. Each waterfall here in Puerto Rico is very unique, and I love Gozalandia because of the diversity in one spot. Wow, it's really raining. What do you think? Thunder and lightning. We just got back to our car. Thankfully, our friend took us back here so we don't have to walk through the river, because this is really the time that's dangerous to be in a river walking like we had to come over here. So if you ever go to a waterfall and it starts raining like this, then just stay out of the river. Just wait in somewhere that's dry, hopefully. So we're going to wait this out a little bit, because even this is going to make it a little bit harder to leave. What do you think, Rain?
It's looking kind of wet. We'll wait for the rain to stop. It'll be a lot easier.
I do already wet.
Suddenly rise the water level, so I'm just going to wait in the car for us to get down.
cart's about ready to go. The rain is letting up and the river is amazingly full, but I think we'll be fine.
There's not waterfalls, there's water over there. Really going down.
Water slide.
More. Wow. This is coming from the side of the hill. Road. Look at all that water coming down here.
It's un poco loco.
Debemos parar.
He's got a towel.
Check this out. I don't know if we can cross right here, baby.
Well, there's another car. There's nowhere to go.
Yeah. Here we go. We're crossing this river road.